The clamp bolt secures the blade on your miter saw. The bolt has reverse threads, so it doesn't loosen while using the saw. After years of use, the threads can be damaged when changing the blade. Replacing the clamp bolt is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old clamp bolt from the saw. I'll lift the guard and then loosen the front guard screw. With the screw loosened, I can pivot the guard back, which will give me access to the clamp screw. Now I'll lock the blade spindle with the lock button. I'll rotate the blade until the button engages, and now I can remove the screw using the wrench that came with the saw. Remember, it's a reverse screw, so I'll turn it clockwise to remove it. Now I can install the new clamp bolt. I'll tighten it by turning it counterclockwise. Again, I'll lock the spindle and tighten the bolt with the wrench. Now I can lower the guard back into place and tighten the screw. And that's how easy it is to replace the clamp bolt on your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.